bolts that you're supposed to take off for the front bumper that holds it, but I'm missing one, so I'll be taking two. And on the side right here, there's a clip that goes into the front bumper bracket, and we're gonna go ahead and slide that off. And while we take the while we delete the front bumper gap, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and install the brand new headlights that I haven't installed. So there's gonna be a little tab, guys. You go ahead and push down, push out. So there's what I'm referring to, guys, as a tab. Here's a clip, as you can see, where my finger is inserting. You press down and you press outwards. And that's how you take off the bumper. I actually forgot, guys, that there's a bracket here that connects to the front. I don't know what you call this, but there's two 10 millimeters on each side, well, one on each side, and you go ahead and take those off. But since I previously worked on the Trailblazer, I had to actually took both of them off. What I'm gonna be doing is making the hole through the bumper on this right here, so it matches with the fender. And then I'm gonna insert a rivet. As you can see, these brackets, you have to go ahead and pull them off. And my bumper is actually cracked right here, so I had to be really careful on removing this because I don't want the bumper to go bad. Same method. So let me go ahead and remove both brackets, and then that'll be able to give us some clearance to drill the new holes in. So in order to take off these plastic pieces, I was gonna go to Harbor Freight and order a Dremel. I have a torch and a screwdriver, and all I really need to do is just heat up the tip of the screwdriver, wedge it in there, and the plastic will eventually melt that's holding up the bumpers. Just give it a go. So guys, I was able to take off the bracket on the passenger side. Well guys, we went ahead and removed the brackets on the sides. So now I'm gonna put some masking tape on top right here. Drill holes. That way it marks for the top to insert onto the fender. So what you do, guys, is you get your rivet gun, get your insert, thread it onto it, all the way, just like so. Then close it. And once you squeeze, the metal side expands. Then you twist the back head back, and you have your thread. Rivets are in. And that is what you're left with, guys. Two inserts ready for you to screw it on, and that way it pulls up and deletes your gap. So guys, this is the next day. I slapped the fenders onto Chop. There he is. And if you know, you know. I'm having back to back and the white mamalonas. We're getting the new Whopper that's all red. The Spideyverse Whopper special. So let's see how that is. Come on, cut. Come on. Let me see the burger. So guys, this is our first time trying it. Damn. Look, the hamburger matches with the Trailblazer now. But yeah, guys, that's how the bumper gap delete came out. Pretty smooth all the way around. No more gap. Just how I wanted it. Next, we gotta paint it because it has to stay all white, just because that's the original color of the Trailblazer. Stay tuned for that. But we're getting ready for June 3rd. Make sure you guys come and support. Got the boy Andy over there, tucked off. Let's go see what's happening over there. So yeah, guys, we got the mamalonas out here. Got the boy Andy.
That one Tahoe.
That one Tahoe. If you were at I-5 Smoke Out, then you've seen this thing go sideways. I'll probably drop a video right now. There you go, guys, and you see this taco gets sideways. Yes, sir.
Lo que le falta, ¿sí?
Lo que le falta todavía a la mama whiskey. Slowly but surely, huh, bro?
Slowly but surely, for sure.
Hell yeah.
Step by step. You know, this shit get expensive. You know, you know.
It's an expensive hobby, guys, to have your whip looking this clean and get down the way it gets down.
Breaking after breaking.
But yeah, guys, that burger was smack. Come try it out. Spider-Man verse Whopper. Truck needs a wash. I'll probably take it to my boy Rayos tomorrow for an early wash. The video does no justice, but trust me, guys, it got dust all over it. The Stratas. My boy a baller. Yeah, I want to be like you and I, girl, bro. Slam grocery getters, man. It's a nice Tahoe, guys. Nice family truck. But yeah, guys, give my boy a follow and let him know your YouTube channel again.
Andy LS Vlogs. Go like, subscribe. We got more shit coming out. Only dropped one video, but we starting off for Instagram. That one Tahoe. You know, been on there for a minute. You know, you can see us outside at Advanced Auto Parts, June 3rd. We're gonna be there with that boy Super Slow, Beto's Media, East Bay Kings. Catch us outside.
June 3rd, pull up. You gonna see this thing. You gonna see that thing.
If you don't pull up, you ain't gonna see it.
There you go. Gotta be outside, right? Well guys, that's gonna be the end to this video. Thank you for tuning in once again. Make sure to cop your merch, guys. June 3rd is around the corner, so make sure you guys pull up to the booth, pull up to the event. 30095 Industrial Parkway in Union City, California. Make sure you pull up. We're gonna have trophies, we're gonna have raffles, we're gonna have jumpers, we're gonna have trocas chingonas, we're gonna have it all, guys. Takeover 3-year anniversary. Pull up, be outside. That's all I gotta say, guys. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next. We out.